Hi guys, it's How to Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download Forge, which is the base installer to get more Minecraft mods. So I'm going to be using the 1.16 update. This will be about the same from like a year from now. It'll all be like the same process. So today we're going to be installing Forge and the Lucky Block mod. So you're going to go to luckyblockmod.com, enter, and there's going to be a continue button and a start button, all this stuff. These are fake. These are like ads, see? And these will download viruses. So you're just going to ignore these. And you're going to scroll all the way down, ignore this again, you can see ad. And scroll all the way down, another ad, and right here, and here, and here. So first you have to install Minecraft. So if you have Minecraft installed, then you install Minecraft Forge. So you're going to go to Minecraft Forge, which is right here. And once again, there will be a lot of start ads and stuff. But right here, it's going to say download latest and download recommended. These are normally the same, but we're going to do download latest. So installer, and see right here, the content below is an advertisement. After the countdown, click skip. So all of this is fake right here. You're just going to go to the top, don't click anything, and click skip. And if you hit skip, it'll download, and you're going to say keep because this is the real thing. This is not. So you're going to say keep, and if you downloaded the right thing, it'll show a little coffee thing. If you did not download the right thing and it doesn't say Forge 1.16 or whatever your version is and doesn't have the coffee mug, then you downloaded a virus, and just click this and you're going to delete this right here. You're going to show in folder and delete. But we downloaded the right one, so we are going to click this and it's going to open it up. Okay, so it's actually saying you can't download it because it's from the internet. It's not letting you. So you're going to have to go, if you're Windows, it will let you, I believe. But if you are Mac, you're going to go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, right here. And it's going to show you this page, and you're going to click General. And right here it says Forge 1.16 was blocked. So you're going to say open anyways. And you're going to press open. Okay, so once you have Forge installed and unblocked, you are going to go to java.com and you're going to say Java download. And right here in the bottom left, you can see the it says javadl.oracle.com. That means it's not an ad. It would say ad over in the corner if it was an ad. So we're going to say agree and start free download. And right here. Now we're going to click that. It's opening. Double click it. And it's going to say is from the internet. You're still going to say open. So now it should be installed. Oh wait, no. Still loading. So it's going to ask for your password because it's from the internet. So type in your password. Hit OK. And it's going to say all this. Install. Okay, there you have successfully installed. Close. Okay, so now that that's installed, we're going to go back to Forge and open that up. And it's going to say right here, you're going to say install client, not server or extract, install client. Okay. And it's going to download it all. So right now, I believe it is literally loading every single thing there is in Minecraft. Like you can see Shulker Box, Treasure, Plains, Savannah, everything. So it might take a little while for it to load everything. And there, after a while, it is done. So you're going to press OK. And you can close all this. And if Minecraft is open, you're going to have to close it and reopen it. So open up Minecraft. And right here, it is going to have this little arrow, and you're either going to say latest release and play normally, which is 1.16.5, or you can select Forge, which is 1.16.4. And it might not be completely updated to the exact amount, but now we are going to close all this and go to Lucky Block. And right here, it's going to say Lucky Block, download. And there's all these different versions. And we have Forge 1.16.4, so we're going to use the top one. And we're going to click this download button. And we're going to keep this. And you can see the coffee mug again. And it's going to say it can't open it again, so we are going to go to Settings, Security and Privacy, General, Lucky Block 1.16, open anyway. Open. So what you're going to do is select Forge and select Play. And I understand. Play. And by opening Minecraft, it'll create a mod folder, so then we can drag the Lucky Block mod into the new mod folder. And if it has this text all around, you'll know that the Forge actually worked right here. So after you have opened Minecraft, it'll create a mod folder, and to get to that on a Windows, you're going to go over to the corner in that Windows button area, and you're going to type in percentage app data percentage, and then hit enter, and that'll bring you to the Minecraft folder. But I'm on a Mac, so I am going to go to Finder and open another one. And to get to it on a Mac, you're going to hit Go in the top, hold Option, and then click Library. And then there will be a thing called Application Support. You're going to scroll down to Minecraft, and there will be a mods folder. You're going to drag the Lucky Block mod into the mods folder. There you go. It went. And now you can open Minecraft. Make sure Forge is selected because that's what activates the mods. So just go ahead and click play. Okay, so once it loads, you're going to go into your mods, and right here, Lucky Blocks. So we're going to go into single player and see how it's red. That means do not open those worlds. You're going to create a new world. So it may be a bit laggy with the mod, depending on your computer, which mine is because it's a laptop. But you're going to go to the search items and type in Lucky or lucky block. And there you go, it'll have the lucky potions, the lucky items, the lucky blocks, different levels of the lucky blocks. And depending on like how lucky they are, they'll do different stuff. So that is how you download the Lucky Block mod and Forge. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.